everyone, here's a clear step-by-step process of mail merge. First, prepare the main document. Open the Microsoft Word and write the letter, invitation, or form you want to send. Prepare the data source, usually in Microsoft Excel. Make a table with headings such as name, address, or contact number. Third, start mail merge in Word. Go to the Mailings tab, click Start Mail Merge, choose the document type, select Recipients, click Select Recipients, use an existing list. Fifth, insert merge fields. Place your cursor where the personalized information should go. Insert fields like name or address. Preview the results. Check how your document looks with actual data. And the final, finish and merge. Click the finish and merge